If you want to get your air conditioner running smooth, knowing all the AC parts and what they do is clutch, especially understanding the A-coil's role in the whole system. So, the A-coil, or evaporator coil, is like the unsung hero of your AC. It's the part that actually pulls heat out of the air inside your house, like magic, but science magic. When warm air hits the coil, the refrigerant inside absorbs that heat, cooling the air down before it blows back into your rooms. Plus, it sucks moisture out of the air, which means it helps dehumidify your space so you don't feel all sticky and gross. To keep it working right, make sure your air filters are clean so dust doesn't gunk up the coil and reduce airflow. Also, watch out for ice buildup on the coil. That's a sign something's off. Maybe low refrigerant or poor airflow. Getting regular maintenance helps catch these issues before they turn into big problems. And if you ever notice weird smells or your AC not cooling well, the coil might need a professional cleaning. Keeping that coil in good shape basically keeps your whole AC system efficient and saves you bucks on energy bills. One of the biggest mistakes with air conditioner maintenance is ignoring the evaporator coil cleanliness. When dust and dirt pile up, it blocks airflow and makes cooling way less effective. Just clean those filters and schedule coil cleanings regularly to fix that. Another common problem is low refrigerant levels, which stops the A-coil from absorbing heat properly and can cause ice buildup. A certified HVAC tech can check and recharge refrigerant safely. The third issue is poor airflow from clogged filters or blocked vents that starves the coil of warm air to cool. Swapping filters every 1 to 3 months and keeping vents clear will keep things flowing right. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking up homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, making your home projects less stressful. Plus, it helps contractors find legit gigs in their area, so everyone wins.